to make your perfect pitch. Imagine you've spent months trying to arrange a meeting with your dream client. After all that hard work, you have 1 hour to give that perfect campaign, PR, or advertising pitch. Nerve-wracking, right? But there is a fine line between blowing them away and blowing your chances. We guarantee if you follow the 5 steps outlined below, your campaign pitch will knock their socks off. Welcome to AnyBiz, and don't forget to subscribe. What is an advertising pitch? An advertising agency, PR agency, or marketing agency presents an idea to a prospective client that should accomplish the client's goals and successfully convey the message of their brand. It doesn't matter if your client is a car dealer or a clothing boutique, luxury hotel chain, or an up-and-coming vegan cafe. All your potential clients have one major thing in common. They need to be wowed by your campaign pitch. Here are top 5 tips on how to pull off the greatest campaign pitch imaginable. Know your audience and your audience's audience. Before you dive into a public relation, marketing, or ad pitch, it's crucial you know a client's business inside and out. For example, once you're hired, there is no time to waste playing catch up. You need to hit the ground running. Demonstrate that you know their business like the back of your hand by loading your campaign pitch with consumer insights and tailored details. Don't forget the competition. Every decision maker has an eye on what their competitors are doing. We like to give them something to look at with competitor analysis. Consumers generally think of 5 brands, so we take a careful look at the client and their top 4 competitors. Impersonation may be the highest form of flattery, but blatant copying will get you 0 brownie points during a creative pitch and advertising. So let's dig a little deeper, see if anyone is engaging with an audience your potential client is missing, and check what tools and messages they are using to engage that target audience. Throw in some campaign analysis. We found there are 3 types of clients you will end up pitching to. The ones where everything is going perfect, which is incredibly rare. The ones that know they have a problem but don't know what it is, which is rare. And the ones who aren't even aware there is a problem, which is pretty common. By digging into some of their past campaigns, we can check if they've been doing anything wrong and suggest improvements in the pitch deck. We tend to look at how the campaign engaged with the audience, whether consumers understood the brand message or got lost in the dark. We also look at campaign sentiment analysis. Just because an ad campaign went viral doesn't mean it was a success. Sentiment analysis shows how a campaign impacted the audience. Show off your pitch pizzazz. This is where you can have a little fun. It's time to introduce the wow factor. If you are going to win your PR or ad agency pitch, you have to stand out from your competition and create a lasting impression. Getting creative when pitching and advertising is an absolute must. But there is no reason why your analytics can't impress your clients as well. We think it's safe to assume engagement is essential for successful social media campaigns. The same applies to a PR agency pitch or any media pitch for that matter. Make sure you engage with the entire audience. Show off your analytics with awesome visuals, relevant case studies, and if you can, add an interactive element to your presentation. If you have access to real-time monitoring, show it off and ask your client what matters most to them. Engage your client's emotions. Never forget your advertising or PR pitch is a story that builds a relationship with the client. Imagine them as a reality shows like The X Factor. A contestant could win through talent alone, but often success is down to who gets the best emotional attachment with the crowd. Emotional engagement works on TV. We know it works in marketing. Now use it to engage your client. Now we are not saying you should have a sob story, but you should be passionate about your pitching. Tell a story with data that leads your client from beginning to end. Just because you're in a boardroom doesn't mean clients should be bored. With so many agencies pitching, your potential client will remember the company that taps into that emotion. And that needs to be you. Get out there and pitch, and there you have it.